On the first week of April 2022, Gautam Adani was declared the sixth richest person in the world with a net worth of $120 billion. He is also the richest in India and in Asia. He is the chairman of Adani Group of companies, whose share prices have soared up significantly in the past few years, giving over 1000% returns within a very short span of 3 to 5 years only. Adani Group stocks are one of the highest growing stocks in the market at present. Let's get an overview of these stocks based on their performance over the last few years. Here is a list of 6 Adani stocks that has given more than 100 to 200% returns over a period of 1 year and over 1000% returns within 3 to 5 years. Number 1. Adani Green Energy, with over 173% returns in a year, and the increase of its stock price from Rs 1056 in the 19th of April 2021 to Rs 2970 in the 18th of April 2022. This stock grew over 49% in the last month. In the last 3 years, it has grown over 6,409% and over 9,533% in the last 5 years. If you had invested about 5,200 rupees on this stock back in 2021, it would have been worth over 14,000 rupees now. Similarly, if you had invested around 5,000 rupees in 2019, it would have been worth over 2,18,000 rupees now. Hey, if you're finding this video useful so far, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Let's get back to the video. Number 2. Adani Enterprises, over 103% returns and an increase of stock price from Rs 1100 in April 2021 to Rs 2233 in April 2022. This stock saw an increase of 16% in the last month. In the last 3 years, it grew over 1454% from Rs 147 in July 15, 2020. If you had invested a little more than 5,500 rupees in 2021, it would be worth over 11,000 rupees now. Similarly, if you had invested around 4,800 rupees back in 2020, it would be worth over 71,000 rupees now. Number 3. Adani Transmission, over 185% returns, with an increase of stock price from Rs 954 in April 2021 to Rs 2,728 in April 2022. This stock increased over 11% in the last month. In the last 3 years, it grew over 1,084% from Rs 241 in the 30th of September 2020. If you had invested about 3,700 rupees in 2021, it would have been worth approx. 13,600 rupees now. Similarly, if you had invested around 4,800 rupees in 2020, it would have been worth over 52,000 rupees now. Number 4. Adani Total Gas, from Rs 1,056 in April 2021 to Rs 2,495 in April 2022, this stock has given returns over 135% in a year. This stock increased over 33% in the last month. In the last 3 years, it increased over 1,624%, going up from 149 rupees in the 15th of July 2020. If you had invested about 5,200 rupees in 2021, it would be worth over 12,400 rupees approximately. Similarly, an investment of Rs 4,900 back in 2020 would be worth 78,000 rupees now. Number 5. Adani Power, currently trading at the lowest price. Among the others on the list, this stock increased from Rs 88 in April 2021 to Rs 234 in April 2022. This stock gave over 166% returns in the last year. It grew over 85% in the last month, over 332% in the last 3 years, and over 601% in the last 5 years. If you had invested around Rs 4,800 back in 2021, it would have been worth over 12,800 rupees now. Similarly, if you had invested around 5,000 rupees back in 2017, it would have been worth over 35,000 rupees now. Number 6. Adani Ports, with an increase of 24% in a year. This stock is practically with the lowest returns in a year, compared to all the other Adani companies which gave over 100% returns. But, in the last 3 years, this stock gave over 134% returns, going up from Rs 387 in 2019 to Rs 909 now. An investment of Rs 5,000 in 2019 would be worth Rs 11,800 now. The seventh one on the list is Adani Wilmar, but it has only been 2 months since Adani Wilmar was listed in the stock market. Since then, it has increased over 198%, going up from 268 rupees on February 8, 2022 to Rs 803 now. So, if you had invested about 4,800 rupees just 2 months back, it would have been worth over 13,600 rupees now. We did not include Wilmar into the list because it has not been even a year for this company in the stock market. So overall, if you had invested approximately 30,000 rupees across the 6 Adani Group stocks, excluding the new Adani Wilmar stock, spend Rs 5,000 in average on each of the 6 stocks, it would be worth over 75,000 rupees in just about a year. And that's not just double, but triple the amount of money you've invested. As of now, Adani overtakes Warren Buffett to become the 5th richest person in the world this week. And then becomes the 4th richest, as wealthy as Bill Gates. Adani Green makes its way up to the 7th largest firm in India, in terms of market valuation. 3 Adani companies, namely, the Adani Transmission, Adani Green Energy and Adani Enterprises are about to receive an investment of $2 billion from an Abu Dhabi-based company called IHC. Adani Ports acquired India's largest marine services company, Ocean Sparkle. The share price of Adani Power jumped 109% in a month. The share prices of Adani Group companies are constantly going up every single day. The current prices as of the 27th of April 2022 are: Adani Enterprises, 2,395 rupees. Adani Transmission, 2,812 rupees. Adani Green Energy, 2,952 rupees. Adani Total Gas, 2,562 rupees. Adani Ports, 909 rupees. Adani Power, 285 rupees. Adani Wilmar, 803 rupees. And that's Adani Group stocks for you. Like and comment down on the video and let me know if I should do another video on other high-performing stocks of the year. Please note that all the stocks mentioned above are not our recommendations. If you want to invest in any of these stocks, please read about the companies and try to understand its future potential, rather than relying only on its past records. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think about the Adani stocks. On this channel, we talk about business, career, jobs and money. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.